This is Dr. Steve Mora, orthopedic surgeon here at Restore Orthopedics and Spine Center in Orange. A couple seconds ago, a patient came up to me and said, "Hey doc, are you limping? You okay?" I said, "Yes, I'm okay. Thank you so much for caring." And he asked me what happened. And I said, "Well, you know, when I was a child, I was run over by a bus. It was a very bad situation for myself and for my family. And it was a situation that required multiple reconstructive surgeries. You know, and the obvious questions people ask is, well, is that why you went into orthopedics or you became an orthopedic surgeon? Yeah, most likely it was, because I actually learned from the orthopedic surgeons that took care of me. I was fortunate to have received very compassionate care. And you know, when you're exposed to good people, it rubs off on you, and it's actually part of me now. You know, the importance of being compassionate when you take care of a patient, and then doing your very best, sacrificing if you have to, but more importantly, offering patients hope when in the past they have not been given hope. And that's the passion, and that's my purpose in life, and that's my purpose as an orthopedic surgeon, and that's what I give you when I'm your doctor.